Hello everyone! Today we are going to discuss an amazing product called Metanail Complex, which is an antifungal dropper and supplement. If you are experiencing any signs of fungal infections such as itchy rashes, irritation, or foot odor, this product may be just what you need. Metanail Complex is a combination of natural ingredients that work together to fight and eliminate fungal infections. The main active ingredient in this supplement is tridecithrine, which is an extract from the Asha plant. Asha has traditionally been used to treat a variety of fungal infections, including athlete's foot, jock itch, and ringworm. In addition, Metanail Complex contains dexpanthen, which is an anti-inflammatory agent. This helps reduce the irritation and itching that often accompanies fungal infections. Last but not least, the formula also contains vitamin B complex, which supports the immune system and promotes overall health. For best results with Metanail Complex, follow these simple steps. 1. Begin by applying a small amount of the supplement to the affected area twice a day. 2. Let the product absorb for about 15 to 30 minutes before leaving the house. 3. Repeat the application as needed until the infection is completely gone. Metanail Complex is easy to use and provides a comprehensive solution to your fungal infection problems. Try it and experience the difference for yourself.